everybody, it's Janice with Creating Through Chaos, and today we're going to make a vintage Santa ornament using some stuff from Dollar Tree. So I had this metal bottle cap from Dollar Tree. If you don't have these, you could just use a piece of wood. You could use a piece of cardboard. It's totally up to you. These window clings are from last year, but I saw some new ones this year. Some white chalk paint, some glitter, a silver pipe cleaner, a snowflake ornament that I got at Hobby Lobby, and some greenery. So the first thing I'm going to do is paint my bottle cap. So I'm just going to paint the inside because I want the silver to still be on the back side. So I'm just going to paint the inside with a nice coat of the white chalk paint. So once I have that all painted and all dry, I'm going to take the Santa that's in the wreath from my window clings and I'm going to Mod Podge that into the center. I'm just going to rub it lightly with my fingers and kind of move it to exactly where I wanted it. I wanted to make sure it was center on where the hanger is going to go. So I kind of had to shift it a little bit. And you want to do this while it's still wet, while pushing out all the air bubbles to make sure that you have it exactly centered where you want it to be. And there you go. So once I had that all on there, I'm going to take some Mod Podge and I'm going to run it around the whole edge and the inside of everywhere that the window cling is not. And I even overlap just a tiny bit onto the window cling. And I'm just going to put a generous amount of Mod Podge. And then I'm going to add some of my glitter to that inside area. I'm just going to dump it in and then I'm going to bang it off on a plate to get rid of the excess. It's not easy to see the glitter on video, but it looks adorable. So once that was dry, I took my pipe cleaner and ran it through the holes that were already on there from the previous hanger. I'm just going to push them through and then wrap them around the pipe cleaner on the top half. Now I'm going to take my picks that I had. These are all from Dollar Tree. And I just kind of cut little pieces off of each one. And I'm just going to start hot gluing them at the top right underneath the hanger. Once I have all the greenery on, I'm going to add a couple of the patches of the white berries that I had. And I'm going to add my snowflake to the center. So here I'm just trying to find out the placement of where I want the berries to go. I really wanted they're like a shimmery berry. I really wanted those on there. I think they look really vintage. So I'm going to add a couple of those. And then finally, I'm going to add the snowflake to the center. And these snowflakes come in a pack for the mini trees at Hobby Lobby. And I think it's like 10 you get. And I just love the way this turned out. It looks so vintage and so pretty. And I cannot even believe that it's all from Dollar Tree. How adorable, right? Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this inspires you to make one. And please, as always, don't forget to spread the chaos.